Hello everyone, Tynker is back with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First up, to kick things off with week 4 of our summer code jam, we have week 4, My Sports Moment by Phenonly. Looking at Phenonly's code, we see some say blocks, play sound blocks, when I receive blocks, and when touching occurs blocks. Win the race to get the top spot. Next we have week 4, My Sports Moment Badminton by Swiped Egg. Checking out the code, we see some broadcast blocks, forever blocks, and when background switches to blocks. Check out this awesome animation between two Among Us characters playing badminton and having a funny discussion. Here we have Math Swimmer by Katie. In Katie's code, there's some say blocks, repeat blocks, send message blocks, and glide blocks too. Answer each math question correctly to swim towards the finish line. Lastly, we have week 4, Johnny Wild's Soccer Game by Johnny Boy. In this text coding project, we see a cool soccer game animation. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can code awesome projects like this on Tynker. See you next time!